I've been loving my curl band by Cozy Confidence, and I want to show you a quick tutorial how to get easy curls with minimal effort. Place the band right in the middle on your head. Use a little clip to clip it on one side. I flip this side over, lightly mist. So I'm going to take the first section, this is called your money piece, and you're going to flip that over and roll it. Then you're going to start from the back where you parted it, grab a section of hair. See how my thumb right here is joining that? I'm going to flip it around and just start curling my hair around this curl band. I usually leave a couple inches out and use a soft scrunchie and do the bottom, and then do the exact same thing on the other side. Just start unwrapping my hair from the band. So this is what my hair looks like right after I take it out of the band. You can mess it up, you can brush it. Some of the ends are still curled because when you wrap them around, the ends get caught in there. So you can either leave it like this, or you can take a straightener and straighten your ends. Here's that different look with the ends straight.